tell I'm in a good mood? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, we are doing another grocery haul because I know you guys really enjoy these. So what I'm gonna do now is write down the meals that I wanna create this week. So that's what I tend to do before I go to the grocery store. I have to think about what meals do I wanna make this week. I know for sure I wanna make a Mexican bean chili burrito bowl type thing, but I'm gonna have to think about the other meals I want because it's always best to have an idea and write down a list before you go to the grocery store. Otherwise, I end up buying way too many things that I don't need because I just love the grocery store. I don't know if you guys are like this too, but I really like going to the grocery store. It's like a highlight of my week, which is a bit sad, but I don't know, I just love food. Anyway, I'm gonna write that list now and then I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Alrighty, so I'm going to do my best at quickly talking you through this all. Unfortunately, it gets dark at like 4:30 here at the moment because it's the middle of winter. But anyway, we push through. So here I have a whole pumpkin that is for my pumpkin soup that I'm going to make. I decided to get a whole one because the ones that were smaller and cut up were in plastic and they were also really small. So I was going to have to get two of them in plastic. I was like, oh, I'll just get a whole one. So I got a whole one. That's gonna be hard to chop up, but we'll manage it. Then I've got some fresh mint here because I'm gonna make a pad thai salad. Sorry if you heard something funny, that was Chai sneezing. Anyway, I'm gonna make that pad thai salad, so that's for that, as well as zucchini. I already have some carrot in my fridge, left over from the other day, so I didn't need to buy any of that. The cabbage looked kind of gross, so I didn't get it. It looked really old, so I'm just gonna make it without cabbage. The zucchini and the carrot and the fresh mint should be fine, and then I'm gonna probably add in some quinoa, which again, I already have in my cupboard. Then we have this butter lettuce. I'm going to use that for the Mexican style dish. So for the Mexican dish, I'm going to use this vegan mincemeat as well as the pinto beans and the diced tomatoes and make a kind of chili bean mix. And I'll serve that with some quinoa as well as some avocado. The onions that I've got here, that's going to be used in most of the dishes that I'm going to make this week. I'm also going to use the capsicum in that Mexican bean dish and probably some of the lime as well. Then I bought some apples because I just saw them in the supermarket and they looked so good and fresh and tasty, so I might make like a stewed apple thing to have in my oats, or I might just eat them as snacks, we'll see. Then I got these beautiful fresh medjool dates that I'm going to use to make some protein bars this week. I also have some bananas because I use them every morning in my baked oats, which is so good. I do have a recipe up on my channel. It's just a short style video. If you want to check that out after watching this video, I'll leave a link in the top right corner. What else do I have? I have 2 blocks of tofu here because I go through a lot of tofu. I might not use both blocks this week, but then I'll have it for next week, so it's always a good thing to have. I also like to have stir-fried frozen veggies on hand for if I ever just feel like a quick stir-fry. So yeah, I probably use the stir-fried veg with some tofu, and then I've got rice in the cupboard, and that's a good, easy meal to make if I'm just in the mood for a stir-fry, which I often am. Then we have this deli-style smoked ham type thing. It's plant-based, but I bought this because we're going to be making homemade pizzas tonight, and that's what the pineapple is for. If you're not a pineapple and pizza person, let me know in the comments down below, but I absolutely love it. So that is for our pizzas we're going to make. We have some pita bread. We're going to make pita pizzas in the oven, really keen. I also got some almond milk because I'm running low and I have that every day in my coffee. I got some little cashews because that's going to go in the raw pad thai salad, as well as some maple syrup because I might make some protein cookies this week. We'll see. I didn't have any maple syrup left. I got this coconut milk to go in the pumpkin soup just to make it a little bit more creamy. Then I got these because I've been craving them. Christian mentioned English muffins the other day, and ever since he mentioned them, I've just had this weird craving for them, so I bought it. You know, gotta let yourself eat what you feel like, even if it's something random. And then I also saw these rice cakes, and I kind of was craving them a little bit as well. I just sometimes like rice cakes. It's not that often that I buy them, but you know, it's good to have some avocado on, or you know, peanut butter and banana as like a little pre-workout snack. It's a good one. And then lastly, over here, we have some tomato sauce and some spices that I was running low on. So this is just thyme, sumac, and rosemary. And that is it for my haul for this week. Got loads of delicious meals planned. The Mexican chili bean dish, the pizzas that we're making tonight. We have the pumpkin soup, pad thai salad, and a stir fry if I need it during the week. Then I also have some snacks and stuff for breakfast, stuff for making protein bars, possibly protein cookies as well. We've got an array of stuff. It's a great little bunch, and this all came to just under $100, so about $96. So pretty good haul. This is gonna last me definitely the full week, maybe even a bit longer. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my grocery haul for the week. Now it's time to put this all away and possibly start meal prepping. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful in some way. And if you have any video recommendations for other things you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments down below. As I say in almost every video, I really want to create videos that genuinely help you. So please let me know what you'd like to see. And yeah, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. I really appreciate it. I'm so grateful for everyone who's subscribed and watches my videos and enjoys them. And yeah, I hope to be able to help you in some way and provide some positivity and light in your day. And with all that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye! Let's go to the grocery store. Let's go to the grocery store. Let's go to the grocery store. Can you tell I'm in a good mood?